I greet you all, my viewers. I welcome you to this wonderful opportunity that God has given us to learn mathematics. I am your host in person of Mr. Felix Dominic. I'm going to be teaching you mathematics. I'll do my best to break down this mathematics for you. I'll break it down to atomic level. That is to say, you are going to understand the in and out of it. I can assure you that mathematics will become the easiest subject you will ever know. Okay, now we are going to be having classes ranging from SS3 down to JSS1. Make sure you join the class that fits you. That is the class you are going to. The next class you are going to, that's the class you are going to join. And then follow everything that we are going to be doing. The question is going to be displayed on the screen. Ensure that you analyze the question along with me. This is how you will do it. You will pause the question. Once you pause it, have your exercise book with you and a pen. Copy out the question. Ensure you copy out the question, then you play on. As you play on, I am going to be analyzing the questions and I'm going to be solving it. And as I'm solving it, I'll be communicating with you. I'll be telling you, are you following me? Hope you are getting it. And just be resonating along with me. Be answering me wherever you are. That is how we are going to take this journey bit by bit till we get to our final answer. I'm still assuring you, follow along with me. Take everything we are going to be doing with all seriousness. At the end of every subtopic, there is going to be an assignment for you. The assignment is for you to practice. Make sure you do it. Please don't just look at this video like a mere coincidence. It is not. You are not here by chance. You are here by divine arrangement from God. There are so many who wish to have this type of privilege. So whatsoever your hand findeth doing, do it with all your might. Have your pen with you, have your book, copy out the questions, do your assignments. For every assignment, by the side of every assignment, there is answers, the correct answers. I took my time to copy out the questions for the assignment and also the answers. You will see an arrow pointing at the answers. By the time you finish solving your assignments, then you check, you compare your answers with the answers. If they are correct, good and fine. Anyone that you get it wrong, give me a feedback. You can give me a feedback through my phone number. And my phone number will always be there on the screen. Give me a feedback through WhatsApp. Snap your work, send it to me on WhatsApp through my WhatsApp number. From there, I could even find time to do the correction for you, snap it and resend it back to you. My whole aim is for each one of you to make distinction in mathematics and nothing else but distinction. In fact, that is the name of this channel, FEUNIX Distinction. Everyone here is going to share a testimony. It's going to be a very wonderful moment. Thank you, my viewers. Do well to join your classes and let's move on. Thank you and remain blessed. Alright, thank you, my viewers. I welcome you to this very class. This is JSS1 class, JSS1 mathematics. The first topic we are going to be looking at is development of number system. So we are going to be looking at number basis of counting. We have different bases of counting. Basis of counting could be in base 10, could be in base 7, base 60. We mostly use base 60 for minutes and seconds. 60 seconds makes 1 minute, 60 minutes makes 1 hour. That's base 60. We also have base 7 because 7 days makes 1 week. And so we're going to move on to solve some questions that have to do with weeks and days, and some other questions that have to do with seconds, minutes, hours, and even days. These are the few questions that we're going to attend to. It's all about converting time, converting days, and consequently converting weeks and months. Let's solve example 1. Example 1. Add the following:
colon 1 weeks days. 4 weeks 4 days. 1 week 2 days. We're to add this. Here's the addition. 4 plus 2 will give us 6 days, and 4 plus 1 will give us 5 weeks. So our answer is 5 weeks 6 days, and that's how we'll leave the answers. Let's see the second one. Weeks and days. We have 1 week 5 days, 2 weeks 6 days. Let's do our addition here. 5 plus 6 is 11. Now this is not a normal addition. This is addition based on number system. If it is a normal addition, 5 plus 6 is 11. We will have said write down 1, carry 1. Since we obtain 11, we may say write down 1, carry 1. But that's not true. Out of 11 days, we will look for the subtraction of week. We can be able to subtract 1 week out of 11 days, because 1 week is made up of 7 days. Supposing we have a number greater than 11, let's say we have a number like 15, then we can be able to get 2 weeks out of it, because 2 weeks will give us 14 days. Then there will be remainder 1. And that is how we do it for weeks and days. So 11 days, 11 minus 7, we'll be left with 4. We'll be left with 4, and that's the 4 we're going to write here as our remainder. Now we're taking 1 week out, because the 7 days that we picked out of the 11 days is giving us 1 week. It's giving us 1 week. So we're transferring it to the side of the weeks. 1 plus 2 is 3 weeks. 3 plus 1 is 4 weeks. That gives us 4 weeks 4 days. And that is how to do this type of work. Now let's solve some other example. Example 2. Find the number of seconds in 3 minutes 49 seconds. Yes, find the number of seconds in 3 minutes 49. That is to say, I'm going to change the 3 minutes to seconds and add it to the 49 seconds. That will give me the total number of seconds. How am I going to change 3 minutes to seconds? If I'm changing 3 minutes to seconds, definitely I'll multiply the 3 by 60, because 1 minute is 60 seconds. So 3 minutes will be 3 times 60. 3 times 60, that is 180 seconds. So the total seconds in 3 minutes 49 seconds will be 180 seconds plus 49 seconds. Then altogether we're going to plus it and see what it's going to give us. Here's the plusing. 0 plus 9 is 9. 8 plus 4 is 12. Rather 2 carry 1, and that 1 plus 1 will give us 2. That gives us 229 seconds. Let's solve another example. If we have an example 3, and the example says find the number of minutes. Find the number of minutes. Find the number of minutes in 240 seconds. What are we going to do? Changing seconds to minutes. You will divide by 60. That will be 240 divided by 60. So here is it. 0 cancel 0. 6 here 1. 6 into 24 is 4 times. That will be 4 minutes. And that is it. So with these examples, we can attend to some other questions as assignments. And I'd like you to do these assignments for me. Assignment number 1. I want you to add this number, week, and days. 1, 4, 1, 4. That's the first question. The second question, week and days. 3, 1, 2, 6. Add up this question for me. And then I also want you to solve this question for me. Question number 2. Add the following. Minutes and seconds. 1:42. 3 and 7. So add this for me. Last but not the least, add this question for me. Minutes and seconds. 24 and 5. 5 and 55. Solve this question, snap your work and send it to me on my WhatsApp number. Once you've done that, I can be able to see your work and then know the questions you have gotten right and the ones you have failed. The ones you fail, I will do the correction for you. Do the correction and reply you back through the same number you used to message me on WhatsApp. And here's my number, 08061573528. That's my WhatsApp number. You can snap your work and send it to me on WhatsApp. I will be able to attend to you. Thank you, my viewers. We're going to pause at this point till we meet again in the next video. I will remind you to hit the subscription button below. Just look for the subscription button, hit it. It will help to notify you. It will help to notify you whenever I upload the next video. Thank you very much. Remain blessed. Amen.